Hello everyone! In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix the typing not showing issue on Instagram. If you are trying to type a message or comment but nothing appears, here is how you can fix it. The typing issue could be caused by a bug in the app. Check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store, and make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Once updated, restart Instagram and try typing again to see if the issue is resolved. Next, clear the cache. If you are using an Android device, clearing the cache can fix minor bugs. Go to Settings, Apps, find Instagram, tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. After doing this, open Instagram and check if you can now type normally. Next, check your internet connection. A poor connection might cause Instagram to glitch. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then restart the app to see if that resolves the issue. And finally, log out and log back in. If the problem persists, logging out of your account and back in can refresh your session and fix minor issues. Go to Settings, scroll down, and then tap Logout. After a few seconds, log back in and check if the typing issue is resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the typing not showing issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!